My name is Robina. I am studying in 4th class in Jyoti High School. This is place value chart.
Rubina, show me that number 7564. 7564. 64. Rubina, which number in hundreds place?
5.
Which number in tens place?
6.
Okay, 7 place value is
7,000.
7000. 5 place value is
500.
500. Yes. 4 place value is
4.
4. Very good.